Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Revolut in India, a comprehensive guide to help you understand the features and benefits of this digital banking app. Revolut is a UK-based fintech company that offers a range of services including currency exchange, debit cards, and account management. To get started, you need to download the Revolut app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and sign up for an account. The sign-up process is straightforward and requires you to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and phone number. You will also need to verify your identity by uploading a valid government-issued ID and a proof of address. Once your account is set up, you can add money to your Revolut account using a debit or credit card, or through a bank transfer. You can then use your Revolut account to make transactions in multiple currencies, including Indian rupees, US dollars, and euros. Revolut offers competitive exchange rates and does not charge any foreign transaction fees. One of the key features of Revolut is its debit card, which can be used to make purchases online or in store, both in India and abroad. The debit card is linked to your Revolut account and can be used to withdraw cash from ATMs. You can also use the Revolut app to freeze your card, set spending limits, and receive real-time notifications for all transactions. Revolut also offers a range of other features, including budgeting tools, savings accounts, and investment options. You can use the app to track your spending, set budgets, and receive alerts when you go over your limits. You can also use Revolut to send and receive money internationally, with competitive exchange rates and low fees. To use Revolut in India, you need to be aware of some key regulations and restrictions. For example, the Reserve Bank of India has imposed certain restrictions on the use of international debit cards, including a limit of 250,000 rupees per transaction. You should also be aware of the tax implications of using a foreign currency account, and ensure that you comply with all relevant tax laws and regulations. In conclusion, Revolut is a powerful tool for managing your finances, both in India and abroad. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can set up a Revolut account, add money, and start making transactions in multiple currencies. Remember to always use your Revolut account responsibly, and take advantage of the app's features and tools to manage your spending and stay on top of your finances.